Hello and welcome to a product review on G Studio. I am Dr. Ghaffar Kyani. Today I am reviewing a product which is used with the mobile phones, which is an audio device, and this is actually used to connect to the devices like mobile phones. This particular one is for Android phones as well as for iOS devices. The advantage of using a external microphone with the device is that the audio is equally important in a film production. So you can see now I am speaking into the camera while I'm using the internal microphone of this device. However, you can see that the background sounds or the background voices or whatever people are speaking on the background of the cars, you can hear also my audio or my voice is not as clear. So how can we make it clear? We will be using this device. This particular device has one receiver which is connected or which has to be connected to the phone, and the other there are two microphones which you can connect to two people in a two people environment where one person is interviewing another person. This product is available with one microphone as well, but I prefer to have two because I usually do interviews of the people, and this device is useful in that particular scenario. So first of all, let's unbox this and see what is in the box. So here is the box. So let's open and see what is inside. So let's take the wrapper away. So here we can see there is a receiver. This receiver will be connected to the camera or our mobile phone. This one is USB-C type connector, and this can be used with basically with the Android phones. Then we can see here there are two mics, and you can see there is USB charging port. So these can be charged using USB-C type cables, and the timing for this particular microphones, as I have seen in the descriptions, and I have bought it, is about 6 to 8 hours if it is fully charged. Similarly, we have another device here. You can see this one also is the same, and here we can see that this also has a charging port, and this one we can charge similarly with the other one. So these are two ones. Let's see what is in the box. Now here we can see there is a dongle. This dongle is basically used with this one, so I can connect it here like that, and this basically now is for my iOS device. So this is the lightning port here, and here you can see this is the USB-C one. So if you take it away, then we can use it for only the Android phones with the USB-C type connectors. So I would suggest to get this product because this has both options. The other ones available on the market, either they have this option or they have this option. So I got the two ones so that I can use it with my both devices. Also there is you can see there is one USB-C type port over here as well. So this probably also means that we can charge it, this one, using a charging device. I will make one more clarification here, that some of the devices which are available in the market, this port instead of this one is a lightning port. So it means that if I am recording it through an iPhone and I also want to charge my phone through this device or have a headphone jack to hear from this, this can be here headphone and we can monitor the audio. However, there is a problem. I had a device like this and I tried to charge it, and after charging this one burnt out and it's not working anymore. So you have to be careful and read the manual, that what the manual says, whether this is for the charging or for the headphone. If it's for the charging, if you put the headphone, that means you will be burning this device. So let's see what is else in the box. So in the box we have a let's take it away, and there is one, you can see manual, instruction manual, which actually tells us everything. This is very generic. It just only tells how to use the device, and how to connect and how to charge. So everything is given in this manual. And the last is a box here. If you look at this box and if we open the box has a one USB to USB-C cable which we can use to charge our device, the microphones and the receiver. So let's go for the testing now. Now the receiver has been connected with the mobile phone, with my iPhone, and I have two of these mics in my hand. So I will give you a test one by one. So this is mic number 1. Hello, hello, testing. Hello, hello, testing. Mic 1. Hello, hello, testing. Hello, hello, testing. Now this is our mic number 2. So I am talking into this mic, and hopefully you can hear me loud and clear. These mics are actually coming with a clip, so I can connect it somewhere on my jacket, and from here I can point it toward my mouth so that it can pick up the audio. So hopefully you are listening to it. Now let's do a distance test. So at the moment I am about 5 feet, more or less from 4 to 5 feet, and I will now start walking backwards and see how far it can go. So I am moving backwards now. Hello, 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 mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. Hello, 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 mic test. Hello, 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 mic test. Testing, mic number 1. Mic 1, testing. Hello, hello, mic test, mic test. So I am moving backwards. I'm not sure until I will look at the video after recording that how far I can go, because we don't have a headphone jack. That's why I was recommending that having a receiver with a headphone jack will be a good option, so that we can use it with a professional video making software such as Filmic Pro, which has this option that we can hear the audio. Right now we cannot hear, but I'm going backwards and trying to find it out. So hello, testing, hello, testing, hello, testing. I am about 200 feet now away from the camera. So this has been the test. I will not go a little bit behind like from here because kids are playing, and also I'm heading toward the road. So now I will head back again, and let's see how the audio is. So I'm moving toward the camera, toward the receiver which is connected to my iPhone, and now I'm getting closer, and hopefully you can hear. And let me now disconnect this one. Hopefully you are listening, and connect the other one and see how this one is performing. Hopefully you will be getting the same quality. So this is now mic number 2, and hopefully you are hearing to this. So once actually we connect the receiver, here is a button. You can see there is a button here. You can just press it, and once we press it once, you can see a green light is coming on this one. So this means that the mic is functioning. And if you want to see the other one, the same thing with the other one. You can see there is a green light and it's working. So this sort of microphones are very good because we don't have the cables. We are in a very free type of environment where we don't need too many gadgets. We don't need big cameras, because people are, once you have a big camera or you have a big gadget, everybody's looking at you and it's difficult. So you can see that this mic can be used for interview. Even if you get one but with cheaper option, you can do like this, and then you can talk with if you have an interviewee. However, I prefer these two because I do a lot of talk shows, and in my talk shows I would prefer to have two of these. So hopefully this review will make you to decide whether to get this device or not. And if this has been useful, or it has been a useful information for you, then please consider subscribing, which will actually encourage us to make more such videos. Until the next video, goodbye.